Hello guys! Mag-open tayo ng ating bagong One Piece card. This is the EB03 version, which is the One Piece Heroine Edition. This edition was released last October 2025. And also, we actually got this from Toy Express. And dito sa card sets na to, ang hinahanap po natin ay merong 10 valuable cards. And yung 10 na po na yun, 9 of them are character cards. And also, merong isang Dawn card. So, tignan natin kung may mapupull tayo dito sa batch na to. So, alam ko meron tong 24 sleeves sa loob. Sana naman meron tayong makuhang magandang card mula dito. Ayan. Ayan, silyado pa po yan. Sealed. Yan. Yan, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 packs. Naway may makuha po tayo sana dito na hit. So yung mga hinahanap po nating hit dito kasama yung kay Kuwalo na number 42 card nito, which is a character card. Based dun sa top 10, siya yung pang number 10 sa valuable cards. So let's see what we had. Okay, alright. Okay, hindi ko na iniisa-isa kung sino sila. And we have this. Okay, so wala tayo dito nakuha na hit. Let's go to the next one. Meron man sana dito. Okay. Alright. Okay. At least we have 2 rares na nakuha. On to the next third pack. Pa-suspense to ha. Parang may makuha kaya tayo hit dito. Okay. Right. And well, at least we have a super rare. Yeah. Right. On to the fourth one. Kinakabahan ako dito sa binubuksan ko ngayon na naway sana meron tayo makuha naman na hit. This is quite nice one. A Dawn card. Dawn card. Pero yung Dawn card na hinahanap natin is a gold frame full body with crown na Nami. So, yun yung isa sa mga best hits na makukuha natin dito. So far, wala pa rin po tayong hit. On to the fifth one. Okay. And another rare card. On to the sixth. Ayun. So aside po dyan, hinahanap natin yung card number 45, which is a Perona card. Card number 31, which is a Vinsmoke Regine card. And also, naghahanap din po tayo number 3 card na Utah. Ayan. Sana meron na dito. Okay, cute. Another rare card. Ayan. Balik tayo after dun sa number 3 card na tinitingnan natin. We're also looking for a VV card na number 24 dito sa pack na to. And then yung fourth na pinaka valuable or most sought for na card is the number 55, which is a Nico Robin. Ayan. And then after ng Nico Robin natin na number 55, there's also again a Nami na number 53 card. And also the second most valuable is a Boa Hancock, which is a number 26 card po ng ating pack na to. And the most valuable of them all is a Utah card, which is number 61. Na sana meron tayo makuha dito. Okay, it's a VV card pero hindi ito yung VB na hinanap natin kasi number 24 na VV card. Pero at least we have a leader card. Yan. Pero tingnan mo, ganda ng pagka-hologram niya. Yan. So para hindi na siya madumihan, lagyan na natin dito. Baka masyado pa mag-ano yun sa kamay ko. Okay. Pang ilan na ba yung nabubuksan natin? So nakakapito na tayo. Pang 8. Pang 8 card. 8 pack. Si Boa. Cute. Alright. Si Regine. Pero hindi ito yung Regine na hinahanap natin. Kailangan natin number 31. It is a 38 common card. Ayan. And another rare card. Right. Medyo marami-rami ito. Yun. On to the 9th. Hindi tayo pwede mawala ng pag-asa. Going to the half pa lang tayo. Pero looking forward tayo na meron tayo makuhang hit dun sa top 10. Mas maganda kung makuha natin yung top 10 cards, di ba? Okay, Odyssey. Another rare card. Number 10 pack. Pero may nakaka-enjoy pa lang bubukas nito ng isa-isa. Yun lang, kumakain siya ng oras pagbukas. Another rare card. At least wala pa tayong duplicate ng rare cards natin. And I hope wala siyang duplicate sana. Nami. Okay. Number 12. We're on the halfway na ng cards. Okay, another one. Pero parang meron ako nitong harpy nito. Yan. Not from this pack, but from another pack that I got. Kasi nagbili na tayo ng ganito last time. From the last upload that we had. Parang meron akong nakitang maganda rito. Merong nagkuminang sa gilid, pero sana hit yun. Sana may hit. Okay, wala din. 14th card. Labing-apat. Well, ganda rin itong DV na to na leader card. Natin dyan. And yan. Parang dami na natin ganitong nakikita. Not still, pero malapit na 35 yun. 31 ang kailangan natin. Meron pa tayo mga ilan dito. I lost count na kung pang ilan na itong binubuksan natin. Okay. Wow. Ganda ng art nito. No? And it's an SEC. Okay. First SEC natin ng pack na ito. Ganda ng art niya, no? There we go. Another SR. Ayan. I'm actually quite new on doing this. Nami. But this is not the Nami that we are looking for. Oh! This is the Nami that we are looking for. The number 53. So, meron tayong isang nakuhang hit. Nice. This is actually the number 3 of the topmost valued card in this line. Okay, that's great. Diba? Galing. Konti na lang. So 2, 4, we have 6, last 6. Sana meron ba. Parang nanginginig yung kamay ko, ha. Is it a sign ba na meron pa tayong makukuhang maganda na card? May Perona pero hindi ito yung Perona ang hinahanap natin. Card number 45. Card 49 to. Siguro nandito si 45. Hindi ito. Wala, last 4 pieces. Kailangan natin may ma-pull. Hindi din ito yung hinahanap natin. Maganda itong art nito ni Nami, no? Pero hindi pa rin ito yung Nami na isa hinahanap natin. Okay, we're up to the last 2. Which of them would be open first? Let's go to the right. Yeah. Naniniwala ako na merong makayong magandang makitang card dito. Okay. Wala pa rin. Last one. We hope we get the Yuta na number 61. Card number 61, nandito ka sana. Kunin natin, balik rin natin. Tayo ba ay makakakuha sa last deck na to ng isa pang top 10 most valuable? Let's see. Tantanan. Hindi siya yung last. Anyhow, at least we were able to get this number 3, third of the most valuable card in this pack or in this edition. Yun nga lang, hindi pa natin nakukuha yung last 9 na valuable cards, but at least we also got this one. We got the VV of this one and also this nice cool art na SEC. So mamaya i-check natin kung how much ang value nito sa market price. Well guys, thank you very much again for watching the video, and please check the future uploads as well, and maybe we would be able to get some hits sa susunod. So thank you guys and have a great evening.